Hello, in this video I want to show you how to share access to ProfiCook Smart Kettle with your family members or friends. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen inside the app. Then you should be able to find Share Device. Now make sure that your friend or family member also have this app installed and have an account as well. Then you'll be able to send the share link with messages, copy the message, copy the text in only the text, and then just send it through whatever social media you like, or click on more to see more options and use whichever one you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.